We got the grain cart behind the little tractor here. Why? Because we combined a test run last night of our absolutely gorgeous, no chemical, naturally grown wheat. And I'm going to be parking this right under the chute of the combine. I'm super excited about this. Wheat is such an important staple. It has been for thousands of years. It is actually one of the healthiest things you can eat as long as it's all natural and not some GMO, chemicalized, fertilized stuff. We got the chute pointing right into here. I'm gonna go up right now and turn on the combine and put this little test bit of wheat into the grain bin. We're gonna weigh it. Runs like brand new. Okay. Here goes nothing. Woohoo! Look at that! Beautiful wheat is coming out. So awesome. Sunday the 14th, we are going to be having some of this wheat harvested, and you can come and watch us do it with the combine. Super exciting. Look at that wheat coming out of there. Really, really great. So we'll be doing that Sunday the 14th. You're not going to want to miss seeing the grain harvest. We'll have tons of awesome veggies as well with everything else. So we'll see you here Sunday the 14th.